People often ask me what makes Clean Easy carpet and floor cleaning different from the others. And I think that the biggest difference is me. Not to sound braggadocious, but I actually thoroughly enjoy this business. I have since the very first day that I've been in it. And because of the way that I was raised, I'm old school, I'm in my 60s. I don't believe in taking people's money and cut corners and try to get in and out as fast as possible. I really believe in doing the best job possible for the price that I ask them to pay. I don't get in a hurry. I make sure that I do everything correct, everything as best I can. And if there's something that I can't get out, like a stain or a traffic pattern that's still there even after my best efforts, I bring the customer in and I explain exactly why that particular stain or traffic pattern doesn't come out. I want them to understand that I took the time and effort with the best chemistry and best equipment available today. I did my best to get it out, and if I couldn't, well, I want them to know why. I go above and beyond the call of duty because honestly, that's what was instilled in me by my late dad. He was the best at what he did, and I want to be the best in what I do, and I want to give you value. I want to give you bang for your buck. I'm never going to be the highest priced, and I'm never going to be the lowest. I'll be somewhere in the middle. I don't have any competition because people usually find out that I'm the one that's doing it. They like my attitude. They like my approach. They like my business model. So they call Clean Easy because they know they're calling me. And that's what separates me from everyone else. I love this business and I do my best and I try to be fair with my pricing.